Riding with friends is one thing, but riding with a slow Continental GT is a thing altogether. I'm just kidding, I love that 650 engine. We were traveling to the Ekdare Windmills on the Nasik Mumbai highway. If you time it right, this is what you can see for yourself. And I obviously had to try out the limits of my new KTM 390 Adventure S. Well, it was new when we went on this ride. Do you remember in Motor Inc. when Shumi said that this is a travel bike that can go off road? I found that out by actually getting myself into a problem. Some people might think this is Chris Birch doing its magic on the KTM 390 Adventure, but in fact, it's actually me, guys. It's okay. It's actually me. So it was fairly easy to take the bike down, which gave me a lot of confidence. I didn't feel like I was gonna get stuck, nothing like that. However, the problem arose when I was trying to bring it back up. As you can see, my rear wheel is spinning out. While the 390 Adventures S weight is not an issue at all, because the bike was completely brand new, I was struggling a little bit. It didn't fall or anything, but I was struggling with handling it in such wet and where I was not getting enough traction. And just when I thought that I had gotten some momentum to get out of things, I was like, okay, let's head back to plain ground. As you can see, both my feet are down, and now this is going to be the part where I get stuck. The rear wheel got stuck between a massive rock while going uphill. Because the surrounding grass and the ground was wet, I was not getting enough traction and I was spinning out. This was the only time in my life that I felt like my skills were inadequate, because I had never had the confidence to take a bike off-road like I do my KTM 390 Adventure. This really opened up a new perspective of what is capable if I am actually willing to hone my skills, and in future having the confidence to tackle these kind of situations even if these things arise. And just like every other Royal Enfield rider, this friend of mine, just like his motorcycle, took its sweet time to come and help and rescue me, the king of adventure. Kudos to the cameraman, because look at the shot. You can't see anything how this got out. It was like completely amazing. It blew my mind away. And this is going to be my verdict of the KTM 390 Adventure S. Use it for travel. Do not go hard off-roading on it. It cannot jump and it is a hassle to take out of very sticky situations. Know its limit and ride it well. And guys, this was the only time this bike has ever been stuck. So it's a wonderful, wonderful motorcycle.